Standard 8, Subject English, Poem 1.3, The Pilgrim. This is an inspiring and touching poem with a strong message. It tells us about an old man who is not selfish. After he has crossed a deep chasm, which is called as deep valley, he stops to build a bridge to help a youth who is coming along the same path, even though the old man knows that he himself will never ever have the chance to cross that bridge. This poem even says about that those who have faced difficulties of life successfully and are experienced must be unselfish and help those who are inexperienced and may face difficulties. So now I just begin with the poem. A pilgrim is a one who travels to different religious places for religious purposes. A pilgrim going alone highway came at evening cold and grey to a chasm deep, vast and wide. The old man crossed in the twilight dim. Here the poem explains that an old pilgrim is walking along a deserted highway on a cold and grey evening. He reaches to a deep and wide ravine, that is a valley. This old man crosses the ravine in the dim twilight. Dim twilight means the position which is before the sunrise and after the sunset. This pilgrim is experienced but is not afraid of it. So the next lines, the chasm had no fear for him, but he paused when he reached the other side and built a bridge to span the tide. So here, when he reaches the other side safely, he stops and builds a bridge across the ravine and the flowing water. Span the tide means go across the tide. I go with the next lines. Old man, said the fellow pilgrim near, why waste your time building here? Your journey ends with close of the day. You never again will pass this way. So the fellow traveler asked him, why is he wasting his time building the bridge? For his journey is over and he will never pass that way again. The fellow traveler is puzzled and asks again why the pilgrim, who has already crossed the deep and wide ravine, is building a bridge so late in the evening. So the next lines over here say, you have crossed the chasm deep and wide. Why build here even the tide? The pilgrim raised his old grey head. My friend, in the path I have come, he said. There followed after me today. So here he says that there is a fair-haired youth behind him who has to take a same path that he has. The old pilgrim was experienced and was not afraid to cross the ravine. But the fair-haired youth is inexperienced. There are many traps ahead for him. He too would find it difficult even to cross the ravine in the dim twilight. So the old man was building a bridge for him and the other youth who are following by the same path. So here, he too must cross in the twilight dim. My friend, I am building this bridge for him. So here it says that there are so many people who have faced so many difficulties in their life, but each one must not be selfish, but they must always guide the others who are coming on the same path, and try to be a very good mentor and can give excellent guidance. Thank you.